Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. So today we will learn that how we can add per to our Amazon Seller Central. So as in the last video, I have explained that to list a part on Amazon store, we have two methods: listing part on Amazon with GTIN and listing part on Amazon without GTIN, with GTIN exemption approval. So I have also uploaded the video how to get the GTN exemption approval from Amazon. And in the very next video, I will explain that how to get what is the difference between listing with GTN and without GTN. So you have to list a part on your Amazon web store. You just have to log in your Amazon Seller Central, and then you have to go to the tab catalog. You can also go to the inventory tab, and then here is option of add a part, and from catalog you can also access this. Just go to the catalog top and then click on the tab add product. After that, this page will appear in front of you. So what you have to do, you have to click on the tab I am adding a part not sold on Amazon. So this page will appear. After that, here what you have to do, these are two methods to select the categories of the part. Here you have to select the categories of your part category and the subcategories of your part. If you search the main keyword for your part here, then you can select the categories and the subcategories. You will get the complete set of categories and subcategories for your part, and you can simply click on the select and you will move to next page. But if you want to select the main category, then you select the subcategory. It's up to you. So I will choose, and I prefer this method. So I will write my part here, for name here, extra virgin olive oil. So then I have to click on the tab select. So this page will appear in front of you, the page with vital information, variations, offers, images, description, and the more details. So here you have to write the product ID, the UPC GTN you have purchased for your product. So I will put any random UPC from my side because I am making this video to just tell you that how we can list our product. So I will put any random number as a UPC. And then you have to select from here. It is UPC, it is GCID, EAN, GTIN, or ASIN or ISBN. So, and here you have to write your pod name, which is the title on Amazon for your pod. For example, in my case, it is garlic used extra virgin. And in this tab, you have to write your brand name. So I will write here Costa Oil as my brand name. After that, you have to write the unit count. The unit count means how many items in your package. So it's 1. So I will put the 1 unit in my package. Unit count type, you can select anyone. So I will select the FLOG according to my part. If your part is expirable or not. In my case, my part is not expirable, so I will click on no. For example, it's just to tell you that how things works here. In the variations tab, we can select the if I have the flavors for my product and everything. For this session, I will make another video. Stay connected. I will upload on this YouTube channel that how we can add the variations in our product for the size variations and for also the color variations. Then you have to go to the offers. Here you have to write the SKU for your part. If you will never write SKU here, Amazon will allow the SKU for this part by itself. And for the standard price, here you have to write the price for your part you want to sell on Amazon. So in my case, it's $14.99. And here you have to write the quantity of your part you have. So in my case, I have 40 units, 40 bottles of extra virgin olive oil. Then you have to select the condition of your part. If it's new, then you have to select the new. If it is used, then you have to select the condition used. Fulfillment channel. There are two options, FBA and FBM. FBM is the fulfillment by merchant, in which we ship and pack item by ourselves. And in FBA, Amazon will pack the item and Amazon will ship the item. So in my case, I am choosing the model FBM, which is fulfillment by merchant. Then you have to go to the images tab. Here you have to upload the images of your part. The main image of your part should be with white background. It should have good resolution, sorry. And then you have to go to the description tab. Here you can write the description about your part. Like I will write any random, like it's extra virgin oil. And here are the key part features, which are also called the bullet points for the part. So in my case, like garlic oil, and in add more you can add more bullet points like good food. It's random, just to tell you that how things first. And in the capture warning, if you have any warning on your part, you can select from here. In my case, it's no warning applicable, so I will choose this option, no warning applicable. Then you have to go to the tab more details. Here you have to put the other details about your part, the manufacturer name. For example, in my case, it's Acosta. And each unit count, here you have to write the unit count, the same as we did on the first page. And the country region, in this you have to select the country region where you are going to sell your part. So in my case, it is United States. United States. After that, if your part contains the liquid contents, in my case, it contains the liquid contents, so I will check yes. Is it heat sensitive? Yes, it is heat sensitive. In your case, if it is not, you can select no. And form factors, these are the main ingredients. The main factor is involving your part. So in my case, it is olive oil. After that, you just have to click on save and finish, and after 15 minutes your part will be live on Amazon. So these are the steps on which by using which we can list our part on Amazon. In the first page, it's showing one error. I will also guide you how to fix all the errors. In this case, because I have put the UPC and read the random UPC, that's why it's appearing the error. In your case, it will never give you any error when you will put UPC by purchasing this UPC from the GS1, which is a recommended website or platform from Amazon. And you can also buy the GTN from the website. It's snapupc.com. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, any questions about this video, about adding ports on Amazon, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you very much.